Dancehall recording artist Spice officially crowned Queen of the Dancehall at Reggae Sumfest 2022. She is no longer a self-proclaimed Queen of the Dancehall. In the wee hours of Saturday, July 23rd, 2022 at Reggae Sumfest Festival Night 1, she was crowned Queen of the genre by Dancehall CEO Joe Donovich after she announced that her album will be released next month. We'll have the crowning plus her performance at Reggae Sumfest 2022. You don't want to miss this. Coming up next on Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Well, history has been created as dancehall recording artist Spice has been officially crowned Queen of the Dancehall by Dancehall CEO Joe Donovich. This was done in the wee hours of Saturday morning as Spice was on set performing some of her greatest hits. As I can tell you, Spice right now is in an elated mood, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to congratulate her on her milestone accomplishment in her musical career. Well, we have highlights of her performance plus also the crowning lineup for you, so we'll have that to come right now on the program. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. But before we actually get into that video, we just want to share something from Spice's official Instagram account in which she's thanking the organizers of Reggae Sumfest for this accomplishment and also for crowning her. So Jamaica, thank you for loving me and supporting me the way you have for the past 20 years. It wasn't an easy road, but you've stood beside me and watched me jump over hurdle, kick down door. Despite all the naysayers, we have beat the odds together. Besties, I love you all so much. At Reggae Sumfest organizers and Joe Donovich, thank you for acknowledging my hard work. To all the female artists in the business, I know it isn't an easy one, and so I pray we do it together. Love you all. I have so many people to thank, so I don't want to start tagging. But just know I'm humbled and grateful for the love and support. Hashtag Queen of the Dancehall. My album drops August the 19th, called Emancipation. So let's go over right now to the official performance of Spice and also the crowning. Links 007 TV Entertainment Update.
Female artist. Are you ready for the type of female artist? Where DJ from she like 15-year-old? We're gonna St. Catherine High School. One man of every stage show, every dance. We're locked down Atlanta right now. I locked down Canada right now. I locked down Jamaica right now. We're black and beautiful right now. One of the baddest lyricists right now. We're making girls go down there right now. Reggae Sumfest, make some noise for Grace Hamilton, the queen. The queen. The queen of dancehall. Lady Spice.
We should not all, none at all, we don't see them at, but me them at another level, we know. Them not panic like when me read Reggae Call, but me them at another level, me know. None at all, me don't see them at all, but me them play me low. Sumfest! Long time we don't see each other. We don't stay outside. Play me low, Bandsman. I know most of you probably wondering why I'm dressed like this tonight. When I wonder why I'm dressed like this, what you mean? Why me I go and left you? Why me want to space? Look, if me coulda live on the moon, me first woulda go pan it. Too much bad mind, I go and know pan the planet. Who no here to everybody and live crab it them up. A competition you want, Miss Kitty?
How are you go, Grace?
A competition you want, Miss Kitty?
Everyone make some noise for the Queen of Dancehall. Spice.
A competition you want?
No, I come in peace tonight.
You really come in peace?
No, I come in peace.
Pull up! Pull up! Let me hear what she has said.
I come in peace.
You sure, Miss Kitty?
I don't want to live in pieces.
Because I don't cool it and eagle and them song there, you know.
No.
Me have one in my catalog left, you know. So if you want it, talk, you know.
No. I come in peace, Spice. I come in peace.
Okay.
You see my baby ear. You see my baby ear them farm good.
No,
I don't ear them farm good. I don't go on my idiot either. Remember, I've been in the gym. Big up to Spry. Don't play with me, Spice. I got core now.
All right.
I can squat now.
Lord, Miss Kitty, not you look good and you're bright.
You know what I'm saying? I can do stuff now. But, me not there for that. What I'm here about is to let you know that Montego Bay, St. Catherine, the entire Jamaica, proud of you. We're proud of you. I am here to let you know that you are the consummate performer. You are one of the most iconic lyricists in dancehall. Not as a man or a woman, but as a dancehall artist. I am here to let you know that you are absolutely pulchritudinous. I am here to let you know that you are absolutely ebullient. I am here to let you know that you are absolutely effervescent. I'm a want you to know, say, you're real top gal around. What you have managed to do each and every year, we look forward to your costume, we look forward to your presentation, and you are absolutely committed to your craft, and that is why you have attained the success that you have. You are an inspiration, you are a motivation, because every obstacle when I'm set, and every trap when I'm set, you overcome that summer day. As a queen of stage, queen of dancehall, we are here to crown you tonight. On behalf of Reggae Sumfest, Dancehall Entertainment, Joseph Bogdanovich, Grace Hamilton, the queen.
Wait. Stop right there. Hold up, everybody. Hold up. Wait, Joe, they're gonna take my picture. I need to put my shoes on.
That's true.
Where my boot there?
As a bad girl, you have to put on your shoes.
Bobby.
Yes. Everybody must have Miss Kitty Blood for Spice, no man. Everybody make some noise. Everybody make some noise. Absolutely beautiful. From St. Catherine to the world. 2022. The reigning queen of dancehall. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Grace Hamilton. And from Downsound Entertainment, the boss himself, with the beautiful diamond-encrusted tiara, for none other than Spice Scandem! We love you to the moon and back. We love you to the moon and back.
I'd just like to say something about what it takes to be the queen. How many years has it been since Marion Hall was here that was the queen of the dance hall? How long ago was that? It was a long time ago. And to be able to go on this journey for so long, to make it to where you've made it, Good luck for everybody else. Congratulations.
Legal Eye, same way, thank you very much. Legal Eye. I love you, Miss Kitty, big up yourself. The Legal Eye, good girl. Fight hard for the whole time. The Legal Eye, good for the Legal Eye, good girl. Fight hard for the whole time. Alright, pick it up, look how me back it up, me back it up, me back it up, look how me. Run out and build it up like in the character. I make a big again. Alright, Miss Kitty, one. You need a dish for me, a bitch in the bed. Why you don't be body never fall, you see? Me no worry, me no lady, I got to take a bed. Move it and a bubble and a roll it like a what? I saw me born and me them party man. I know. Why party body and this and party long? Party, 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 party. I love you. Boy. Thank you, Queen of Dancehall. Absolutely. Catch body side, catch body, catch body, catch body. And the anti-family and the catch body side, catch body. The father go down, look how me wine and I sit up, me carry it up and bring it. And on the side me a see, me pussy tight, me da go. Man, think of Reggae Sumfest, I love you. Everybody make some noise, let's fight. Yeah, I know we want go in the party, man. I know we want go in the party, man. Wine, money, money, money. Why? All popular rock, make some noise, man.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.